Many players struggle in Dark War Survival because they don't fully understand how the game works. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video brings you 3 powerful tips we've shared before, all in one place, to help you grow stronger and progress faster. Tip 1. Equipment upgrades. Equipment significantly boosts your power, but it also costs a lot of resources. Promoting and enhancing them uses power cores and blue ore. The higher the level, the more it costs. For example, promoting from level 6 to 7 takes 70 power cores. Promoting from level 8 to 9 takes 90. However, both upgrades give the same bonus, like the 10% boost to base attributes. Thus, as the level increases, the upgrade becomes much expensive. So, the smart move is prioritizing the lowest level upgrade. They are the low-hanging fruit that take the lowest cost of upgrade. In other words, spread your resources evenly rather than putting all the resources in one equipment. For example, this opponent has equipment across promotion levels 2 to 8 and gain 9.3 million CP from equipment. In contrast, we spread resources evenly at level 6 but gain 11.7 million CP. If this opponent promotes his equipment evenly, he will gain a much higher boost to his formation. Tip 2. Choosing your faction. What is your main faction? Fighter, shooter, or rider? Please let us know in the comments. Faction counter bonus makes a significant impact in battle. You can gain up to 40% troop damage bonus when you're countering the opponent. It allows us to win a battle against an opponent with a higher CP than us. Upon checking in arena, the fighter faction remains the majority after 4 seasons. Thus, picking the shooter faction is smart because you can counter most players in the game. Fighter was our main faction earlier, but we have switched to shooter to take advantage of the countering bonus. Riders are currently a less favorable choice because they are countered by most players who use fighters. So, they will face more challenges than benefits. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Tip 3. Hero priority. The thumb rule is that the new hero will always perform slightly better than the old one. It is true across many pay-to-win games. New heroes are made stronger to drive sales. In Dark War Survival, the base attribute of the newer hero will always be better than that of the older ones. For instance, S4 Rosa has over 100 more attributes than S1 Natasha. So, save your versatile fragments for the newer heroes. For example, if you must choose between Megan and Margaret, go with Margaret. Margaret is newer and stronger. Meanwhile, prioritize heroes with exclusive equipment. Season heroes with a small season icon on the portrait can access exclusive equipment. Non-season heroes like Evans and Megan don't have access to exclusive equipment and will soon get obsolete. Exclusive equipment gives extra stats, like troop damage and HP. It also unlocks an extra skill. This can push your formation power up a lot. For example, free low-level exclusive equipment can give over 1.7 million CP. High spenders with 4 maxed exclusive equipment can gain 6 million CP. The only catch is that exclusive equipment isn't free. You need to unlock it through bundles. The cheapest one starts from $5. But once you unlock it, you can upgrade it slowly with free resources. Alright, it is the end of the sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.